In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. By the end, you'll know exactly how to upload a video to Google Drive and share it with a simple link that works in email, chat, or documents. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive, then sign in with your Google account. If you're using Drive for the first time, make sure you have enough storage available for your video, since large files can take up a lot of space. A stable internet connection helps too, because upload time depends on your file size and your connection speed. Once you're in Drive, look to the top left and click New, then choose File Upload. A file picker will open. Navigate to the video file on your computer, select it, and confirm. If you prefer, you can also drag and drop the video directly into the Drive window, which does the same thing. While it uploads, you'll see a progress indicator in the bottom corner. Avoid closing the tab or putting your computer to sleep until it finishes. If the upload is interrupted, you can restart it. Drive usually resumes where it left off. When the upload completes, you'll see the file appear in your Drive. It's a good idea to rename it to something clear and concise so it's easy to identify later. You can also move it into a folder to keep things organized. Now let's share the video link. Find the video in your Drive, right-click it, and choose Share. In the window that opens, look for the Get Link section. By default, files may be restricted, so only you can access them. Click the drop-down that says Restricted and change it to Anyone with the link, or choose a different sharing level if you prefer tighter control. Next to that, you can set the role. For most situations, Viewer is the safest choice, which lets people watch but not edit. If you're using a work or school account, you might also see an option to limit access to people in your organization. Click Copy Link to place the shareable link on your clipboard, then click Done. At this point, you can paste the link into an email, a chat message, or a document. A quick tip: open a private or incognito window and paste the link to confirm it works for someone who isn't signed in as you. If you ever need to stop sharing, return to Share, switch the link back to Restricted, or remove specific people. That's it. You've uploaded your video to Google Drive and created a link you can share anywhere.